Hi there, Hare here, and I've got a quick mini album flip through. So this was made with my Wild Hare kit for the month of February. I asked for a mini album kit this month so I can make mini albums with, obviously. So yeah, this is the first one I made, and it's a little 3x4 accordion style mini album. So the first thing I did was cut down my papers, and I cut them down to, let's open it up and see. So I cut them down to 4x6, and then I scored them down the middle. And then once I had them scored down the middle, then I adhered them all together to create an accordion fold like that. So then after I had them all together, I cut down this acetate piece that would serve as my cover, and I cut this down to 7x4 and then scored it along at 3 and 4 to create the kind of gusset here, so then it could fit it when it was folded up. Hold on, bud.
What's those shapes?
Can you click on shapes for him, please? So once I got the acetate there, I adhered the acetate to the back piece of my mini album here, so it would all stay together. And then on the cover, I just took some of the thickers that was included in my kit, and I just stitched them right on top of the acetate. I added this little paper clip from my stash just because the colors kind of went together, and it was a star, and there's just stars all over, and added some of the baker's twine for my kit, just included that there. The ribbon is from my stash, and I just stapled it on the front and back cover so then I could tie it together when I wasn't looking at it. I wanted to keep the first page kind of simple since you could see through the acetate. So I just put some of these little chipboard stars on here so you could kind of see them through the title, which I thought was really cute. And then I used a little star punch to make a little tab for my first page. So this album is just a bunch of pictures of my son Elliot, and he was just being really cute outside one day and letting me take pictures, and I took way too many to really include any on like in a scrapbook layout, and I couldn't narrow down which ones I like best, so I thought a mini album would be perfect for that. So this first picture here, I did a lot of fussy cutting from the 6x6 paper pad, so I fussy cut out these little rockets, and this was from one of the papers in the 6x6 paper pad, and I just bumped them up on foam, and I added some sequins from my stash down here. This little pocket is for like little journaling tag, and I haven't added my journaling yet, but I'll add journaling there. And I just kind of used this paper so it kind of coordinate to the other page, and just did it as a little diagonal pocket there. And then this was fussy cut from the paper as well, and I just stitched that on there and then added this little chipboard tag or chipboard sticker there. So the next page, I also fussy cut out this rad cool fresh piece and then hand stitched around it just to add a little bit texture detail. The O's, I used my leatherette stickers to do the O's, and then added some staples there, again just for some additional texture. This little fox was from my stash, and I just added him just because I thought he worked well there. And then a little picture of Elliot saying shush, so that was cute, and then a chipboard piece and a little cut apart as well. I used a cut file from the cut shop here, and I just backed it with some vellum because I didn't want to back it with pattern paper because I thought it would have made it too busy, so I thought vellum was a good choice for that. Another one of those fussy cut rocket ships. And then this page I just did a lot of punches, so a lot of circle punches and stars and hearts, layered them up and then just stitched through them. This page, I did a little interactive element, so I made this little flip up, and I thought this was cute. This little thing says "Made You Look," and it's got a picture of Elliot on this side looking up, and he wasn't looking at anything, so I thought it was kind of funny that the made you look kind of fits perfect there. And then lift it up, and there's another picture of him under there. And I just did like I did a leatherette sticker here, added some little pieces there from my stash and cut aparts. Hold on, Betty. And little chipboard piece, I just stapled that on there. So then that's not all, because there's back sides to everything. So I again used, oops, it's coming off. Used some vellum to back a cup file. This is one of the stickers that was included in my kit, and this I just fussy cut from the paper pad. Another little rocket ship, and this time I just added a little bit of the twine, so it looks like the rocket's like blasting off. And then since Elliot's looking up, I just put the rocket up there so it looks like he's looking at the rocket ship. I added a little pocket here, and it's little paper clips for my stash, but the lime green goes perfect. And I just included in a picture, another little journaling spot, and then like a little piece of ephemeras in there as well. And then on this page, I fussy cut out this little moon and the rocket ship. And then I used the chipboard pieces that say "Love You to the Moon" and added them on the other side. And then I just added a leatherette sticker over here since the peach went pretty perfectly with this paper here. So that's everything. That's the, oops, I need to glue that back down. That's the entire mini album. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And you can read about this on the Wild Hare Kits blog, and I will link that down below as well. And I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.